Can you afford also to take a loss on jobs sometimes? If the notary makes a mistake and you got to pay another notary to go out, you're not going to always be able to go back to the lender, and you more than likely will not be able to go back and say, hey, I need you to pay me more money because my notary messed up. So that means you take a loss. So do you have a little cushion reserved there for yourself, again, as the owner, that you can take care of whatever happens? If the other notary messes up, you got to send somebody else and double pay. That might mean on that particular job, you make zero, goose eggs, nada, nothing. So you got to prepare for all of that as the owner of the signing company. Do I have enough money to cover me and somebody else if they make a mistake? Most of the time, I ain't trying to do that. If for some reason the other notary is not able to go out and fulfill the assignment, are you able to? Do you want to? Is it because you can't just be like, oh, well, they didn't go, so that's just that? No, as the owner of the company, especially if it's in your state, then they're going to be expecting somebody to get those documents signed. So are you the person that doesn't mind short notice, rearranging, being flexible? Because anytime it's your company, you are the it. Everything falls on your shoulders. When you own a signing company, you become the signing company. You become the notary. You become the scam backer, if that's a word. You become everything. It's all about you. Marketing. Are you a person that likes to market? If you don't like to market your regular notary business, are you really going to market a signing company? That's the only way you're going to get clients. It's not that you're going to start ABC signing company. People are just going to find you, and notaries will come and work with you, but you still got to provide them with work. So that means you have to go out and market to the lenders. You got to go out and market to these people. Market. Are you a person that likes to market? So you have to think about that. The clients are not just going to come to you any more than they do with your regular general notary work or signing companies. As a notary, you have to sign up with signing companies. Well, signing companies have to go out and market and get the work, just in case you didn't know that. So are you a person that likes marketing? If not, a signing company may not be for you. So these are just some things that I came up with. If you do decide that you want to start a signing company, I'm going to give you a few tips that may help you to be successful. Just a few. You must be a good notary first. There's nothing that you can do in this industry where it doesn't require you to be a good notary first. You must know what an acknowledgement is. You must know what a jurat is. You must know how to administer an oath. You must know the loan documents front and back. Once you become a signing company, that's different than just a notary that's showing the documents. You need to know what's missing, what critical documents are missing, how to explain them yourself so you can explain them to your agent. So that's the first thing. Be a good notary. Second, have a little reserve. Have some capital already saved up to cover the miscellaneous things that will happen as an owner of a business. So you can pay your notary, so you can keep good notaries. Sometimes you may have to train your notary. So that's something to think about too. While you're starting your business, go ahead and train them the way you want them to be before you even get started. Don't just rely that they already are a good notary. Train them to be how you want them to be. And sometimes people don't know. So once they get a little training and you set the expectation and your operating standards, they know what that is, they can fall in line, you're going to shine as a signing service owner. Also, you may start building your signing service with family members. It may be your mother, your father, your sister, cousins, siblings, children. Build your own from within. And that's an excellent way to start. Sometimes working with family is not always the best, but it's a good way to start your signing service. Get your family members, get your closest friends, and again, help train them to be what you need them to be. So, should you start a signing service? I don't know. Is it for me? I don't think so. But tell me what you think. Are you interested in starting a signing service? If so, tell me what some of the pros you think are and what are some of the cons. I'm just curious. Well, this is Notary Life with Kimmi. It's been my pleasure. Bye.